Hi, good evening. James Braithwaite here. How are you doing? Now, in this episode of my home life, you will see me giving my underpants an overhaul. I will explain as I go. Okay, just get you on a decent viewpoint. Hopefully. There. Right, hopefully you'll zoom in. This is where the older ones are going to go on to their next life, shall we say. Denzel, did I ask you to stage bomb me? Marks and Spencer's not that. These are starting to lose their elasticity, to be honest. Still want to get stuck in there. Anyway. More Marks and Spencer's. Yeah, these are starting to slack off a little. These have definitely had the rest of their wear out of them. Luckily, these have all been through the washing machine, so don't worry. I am keen on hygiene. Doing next kitchen pulls and everything. You see there, the elastic started to go on those, so they can have their next life. Now these were a bit too big for me when they started. I've lost a bit of weight as well, so they can. I'm afraid they'll have to bite the dust. Anyway. Second-hand ones as well, I expect. These ones are a bit chafing now, so they can bite the dust. Okay. Jeez. I think these John Lewis ones will probably have a 15-year-old. These ones. Kooky signature. Again, these have really lost. I think I'll give these ones a second chance. Also possibly a second chance. These don't have, these are body covers, these ones. Yeah. Good for porn films, but not for general day-to-day use. Okay. Elastic's got on those in the bag. These ones, yeah. These are starting to. Just to show you what I have got to the case. Here we have it. Fresh from Costco this evening. Penguin pants. These, they were in metric, but thankfully there's an imperial code to them. These look nice, these. some with a nice pink stripe there. Black. I'm not usually one for labels, but nice nonetheless. So I'm warming the oven up for my dinner. It's probably the slight ticking you can hear. Oh, bloody hell. Silky Colombias. Okay. I like a nice variety. Oh shit, 1 second touch. These are all fake. Sort of smell of that when I felt this snooze and stuff. But these are cotton enough. Cute pattern. Another cute pattern. And straight. Okay, that's the underpant overhaul done. I'm just going to put them away and stick me chicken in the oven. See you in the next one. Bye.